All right, so what we are going to do is you are going to see that this is a asynchronous learning. So that means you do it at your own rate. The only thing that you need me for after tomorrow, and I will be answering questions tomorrow. You may email me, but the only thing you need me for is to write your tests. Your tests must be written with me present. We will set up a time. We will get your tests written, but I have to be online with you, or Miss Amanda, or Miss Sherry, or Malusi if I'm away, whatever it may be, but we need to be together to write tests. So what you're going to see is all of you should be actually almost completed PSW Foundations 1. So you may see that you should almost be done that. So we are here. You see this is a course, online learning. It's not synchronous, so we aren't going to do it together until January 21st. January 21st or 22nd, whenever your calendar starts, you will be in class in the evening from 4:30 to 9 o'clock with Miss Sherry. But right now, because you've started late and you didn't want to wait for the next course, you have to do it this way. So you're going to see you should be done PSW Evening DE Assistant Dean. I've completed this one. You can go back and view it if you like, but I've done it. You can go back to view, but you shouldn't have to review it. But if you want to go review it, you do not have anything on your exam for you to be able to go here. So it doesn't matter. Nothing on your exam is from orientation. Then you're going to see the next course, upload your assignments. Now, if you've done your assignments and can't find them, I'm sorry, I don't know how your computer works. I don't know how your phone works. I don't know how your stuff works. Milusi is at the college between 8:30 and 4:30 tomorrow, Friday, and he will show you how to upload a document if you need to do that. But I will be sending out videos for you to watch. So please make sure that you watch when I send them every day. If I send them. I'm not sending them every day because this is an asynchronous. You learn on your own. So PSW Foundations is where you should be already started. So what you're going to do is exactly the same thing you did with orientation. Now this is where the information about your test is going to start. So you are going to see that you're going to resume it here. You're going to do all of it. This should be the first 18 hours. So you already have had Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days at 4.5 hours apiece, 12 hours. You should almost be completed PSW Foundations. You will listen to every slide. It will tell you exactly what to do. There's no at all any type of guessing work. You will see the PSW Foundations. I'm just going to zip along here because I can. I've done it already. I won't let me go right now. Okay, I'm just going to go here. You're going to see that the first method of evaluation for PSW Foundations, you are going to see that there are 3 exams and 1 assignment. As you go through PSW Foundations, you are going to see where the exams are. When there is an exam, it tells you exactly, contact me, we will set up a time, 2 or 3 of you will write an exam, and it should be Monday or Saturday should be the first exam for most of you, should be on Saturday sometime, but probably will be Monday. So you're going to see that you're going to have 3 theory exams, total of 60%, and an assignment. You are going to continue to cover the module assignment. You're going to continue to cover all of the work. You're going to see that there's an exam after the first 18 hours of class. Then you're going to see the second exam is after 36 hours. And then the third exam is going to be at the end of the unit. Your assignment is worth 40%. It is in part 2 of PSW Foundations, even though there is a copy here. So if you want to start this assignment, you may. So you're going to see assignment for PSW Foundations. that there is an assignment. You may start it now. However, it is not due until PSW Foundations 2. So you can click on this assignment. You know how to make a copy because you already did. And you are going to see that it comes up. So when it comes up, slowly, you're going to make a copy. This is an individual assignment. The assignment counts for 40% of your module. You read it, you see what you need to do, and your rubric. Somebody said the rubric wasn't very clear, so I made a new rubric today, and it is all here for you to follow. So you will get level number 1, which is 50, or level number 4, which is a 90, and then hopefully even a 4+, which would be 10 out of 10. So that's what you're going to continue to do. This is not due until the second part of PSW Foundations. So you will see that, and it tells you that here. This is your assignment. You may start it now, and there should be a comma there, sorry. However, it is not due until PSW Foundations 2. Personal Support Worker Foundations, watch the video how to make a copy, and then you're going to continue about the rubric. You're going to see material covered in your Sorrentino's 5th edition, workbook chapters. People have been talking to me and asking me about workbook chapters. When do they need to be done? They are there. Everything is set out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So when you are looking at them, you are going to finish one. I'm going to leave this lesson right now. You are going to finish one, and then you are going to move on to number 2, and then you're going to move on to part 3, and then you're going to move on to actually 2B is writing a resume. You're going to upload your resume. PSW Foundations, after PSW Foundations 2 and uploading your resume, then you are going to write a second test, and that test should be next week, probably Wednesday. And then probably by Friday or Saturday of the following week, you should be doing PSW Part 3 for sure by Wednesday, PSW Foundations Part 3 for your test. And then you're looking at having your body systems, possibly starting this one, and this is 56 hours. So you're looking at, we've already missed 3 days, so you have lots of work to catch up on. You are going to see body systems. You are going to work on that, and you are going to upload then body systems. You'll see it here. This is up to test 1. Upload, then you'll take test 1 of body systems, then you're going to do test 2, then you're going to do part 2 of body systems, and I don't see it here, so I better upload that, and then you are going to be finished by January 20th, which is a Tuesday, and the reason the 20th is because I am away on the Wednesday. Thursday, you will join Miss Sherry's class. If you are not caught up and have everything done on Miss Sherry's class to join her on the 22nd, you will not be able to start this class again until it runs again in the evening. It will be running in the day starting February 2nd, and it will be running in the evening again after this evening class has completed. So you will see that it is all ready to go and up and running. Start at 1, follow all the instructions. It is not difficult. So uploading is probably the most difficult part, but I see most of you have done that. Thank you. If you have any questions, you may email me. I will be on my last Zoom call tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Toronto time. However, I expect to have emails very quickly to write your exams either on Saturday or Sunday for your first PSW Foundations Part 1.